Hello, great people. This is your one and only MC, Mr. MSITA. Spell me away. And if you can call me short M6, the man. Today I'm back again at Carrefour. And as usual, I'm always here at Carrefour Galleria. Remember this, your one and only MC here on Updates On. Remember, Updates On keeps you up to date with everything that is trending far and wide. And of course, this is the base, this is the place. And of course, you got to look no other way. Here today, we are going to focus on this particular machine. It's called the air fryer. Are you curious and you want to know more about it? If so, then stick over here. Don't leave this place. I told you if you want to know more about the air fryer, the Tefal air fryer, then better stay locked here. So there is one of our experts here and we want to know more about it. So I have to get to know from her. Hey, what's up?
Hey, hi.
You are looking good. Come on.
Thank you so much.
And I can see that you're having something amazing here. I'd already told people about it, but I think you are the expert that can explain to us more about the machine that is here. What is this exactly?
Okay, thank you so much for that question. As you can see, this is not just an air fryer, it is an easy fry with grill.
Easy fry and grill.
Yeah, easy fry and grill, meaning that you can air fry and still you can grill your meat without smoke.
You can grill and warm without smoke.
Definitely.
Unataka kuniambia there is no smoke in the house every time you use this? No smoke.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Are you talking about raw potatoes being, put in small chips?
No, pre-cooked 5 minutes, then raw 10 to 15 minutes.
Wow. As you guys have heard, pre-cooked 5 minutes and then
raw
10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that you've gotten to know about the air fryer, and we are going to break more about the air fryer in the next. So stick over here because we are going to get to know more and much deeper about the air fryer. It's from where exactly?
This is a product from France.
From France. Because there are those guys who are so specific with the country where it's being manufactured.
Made in France, quality standard.
Quality standard.
Yeah.
That was Purity, and we are gonna let you know more about the machine that is here called the Tefal air fryer. What else can this thing do? Can it grill?
Yeah.
Really?
You can grill.
Fish?
Like fish, chicken, mention it. Meat.
Come on.
No, what else do we grill? Anything that is
Nyam
grilled.
choms.
Definitely.
This thing can grill nyam choms.
Yeah, add your spices, whatever you want to add, and just put it inside our Tefal machine.
There are some people who might be wondering what is nyam choms. This is barbecue, right?
Yeah.
And she's told us that it can grill. Come on, I can see some chips in there. Can I eat these ones?
Yeah, why not?
I'm already hungry and I would really want to have a taste of this once we are all done. So she said it can grill fish, right?
Yes, fish, meat, chicken, what else?
And can it bake?
Definitely.
It can bake.
Yeah, technically it's just 4 functions. It can air fry, it can grill, roast, and baking.
Wow. So if someone wants to buy it like today, how much is this one going for?
Right now we are running crazy offers on this specific machine from 19,995 to 15,495 shillings.
15,495. Guys,
Yeah.
it is here. It is amazing. As you can see, the design for this air fryer is lit, stainless, Tefal, and she said it is easy, fry and grill. It can grill.
Okay.
And then she's telling us again it is
Healthy, not just any air fryer, but a healthy air fryer.
cooking.
Yes.
When you say healthy cooking, does it mean that you're not, using a lot of oil, right?
No added oil at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, oil free.
Oil free.
Yes.
When we were young and like my mom used to cook in the kitchen, my mom doesn't love a lot of oil. And then unapata chips imeiva, the chips have been fried, and then they always have to put them aside on the how do you call this thing? Sieve.
Yeah.
For the oil to come out.
Yeah.
And most of the time people have this notion that once you do not see, the chips, looking like it's glittering, then it means the oil is gone. But in the real sense, there's a lot of oil inside.
Yeah,
but with the air fryer,
no added oil.
no added oil. So what about, you say when we first began, you talk about chips.
Yeah.
There's the raw chips. Here, can you be able to do it without the oil? Or can you like sprinkle oil and then mix the whole thing together?
Well, if you have to, you can, just a little, not a lot, just a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not necessary, because technically you don't need oil for an air fry. It's not a deep fryer.
Okay. Or like a deep fry, you have to put oil and then immerse all that. So guys, that was Purity. She has already explained to us about the air fryer. It's Tefal. She said that it's from France, and it's here on a deal from 19,000 down to 15,895. So if you want to get this air fryer, kindly give us a call. Or if you can appear here, appear before it disappears. So all that you need to do is to present yourself here before it gets off. Tefal air fryer. How many liters?
It's 4.2 liters.
4.2 liters.
Yeah.
And then there's the other thing I noticed about it has gotten the display.
Yeah, and it's automatic.
It's automatic.
Yes.
So it's touch.
Yeah, it's touch. Let me just a sec. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Let's say you wanna do your fries, you just press here.
Mm-hmm.
Then it brings you the program time. If you want to adjust, you can come here to the temperature.
Okay.
Yes.
I
if
can
it's
see
time.
you actually had mentioned, now I can see what you're talking about. I can see fish there.
Yeah.
So if you are to grill fish, you go to fish, right?
Yeah.
Nice. And that stuff that looks like pizza there,
Yeah, you can.
that's
do
for pizza.
too. Yeah,
This one.
sure,
Is it
yeah.
warming or what? For warming, or you do the pizza
You
itself?
do the pizza.
Wow. And then I can see the barbecue,
Baking.
baking chicken,
This is
vegetable,
broccoli. They normally call it broccoli or something.
broccoli.
Yeah.
It steams or what? What does it do? It fries, it grills.
But
It does.
yeah.
So
However you like it.
Wow. So that's all about the air fryer, and it's been written 2-in-1. It means it's easy fry, and it also grills. It air fries and it also grills. And of course, how many year warranty?
1 year water.
1 year warranty. Welcome to the world of Tefal. Remember, for you to enjoy all the cooking as a lady or a gent within your house in the kitchen, then remember the Tefal air fryer is the way to go. Keep it locked here on Updates On.
Yeah, enjoy your meals. With
Enjoy.
99% oil free.
There you got it. You got it.